So we're gonna just relax your head down this way into my hand. There we go. Okay, relax over a little bit further. There we go.
I really pray to meet somebody like you, man. Let me tell you, that app is just a gift. Boy,
Well, we don't know yet. We need results, right? The
you
plus
actually
side is,
get dizzy.
I think that's
I
where
know,
I'm hung up.
I know. I needed
It's
to
so
find
weird.
You. Yeah.
He was an oral surgeon in South America for his career.
No way.
Yeah. Moved to Miami and they said, it's too hot, we're not staying here.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do a little neck hammock here. Okay, well, keep that chin tucked. There we go.
Oh my God. You have such power.
It's speed more than power. That's the thing, it's just the speed. It's the 0 to 100 kind of, it's the snappiness of it.
Can I take a nap now? Thank you.
You can in the car if she's driving. So then it goes against the grain. Well, we're not done
man,
yet.
it
We still
feels-
got some more yet. Okay.
It feels so nice.
Oh wait, yeah, it's gonna be smooth to move when we're done. You're gonna feel like it's gliding on ice skates. Before it was ratchety and real jumpy. There we go. There we go. Okay. So you're just gonna relax over here, right into my. There we go.
It's crazy.
That's a great class.
Okay, wait a minute. Wow. It's just. I need to come see you more often. That is so good.
What's going to be the biggest difference, you'll notice once we are done, will be the smoothness of looking around that you weren't realizing it wasn't there. We're not there yet. That's already
Feels
further.
nice.
Go on your back for me, face up.
Yes, sir.